parents, we welcome you to our new video in Miracles Playhouse. So I'm really excited because it is Christmas week. And how do we celebrate Christmas in our school? There is a policy that we celebrate each and every festival with our little ones. And it is so good that the year ends with Christmas because kids are really excited for Christmas. So as you all know, the parents who are there already associated with us, that every Friday we do some activities. So this Friday we asked our little one to write a letter to Santa. Yeah, this is the format of the letter. We asked them that how old they are and if they have behaved good all the time, mostly good, or naughty but nice, because kids can't be bad, right? They can be naughty but they can't be bad. So what they want, and they have to draw it here. We asked our pre-nursery kids only to draw it and tell the teacher that what they really want from Santa for behaving like a nice kid, because they have been very good full year. And to a nursery kid, we asked them to write also. Teachers spell the characters. Like if they wanted a car, teachers told them to write the spelling of car, C-A-R. They are already done with alphabets, so they can write it. And our KG and UKG kids did each and everything on their own because they are well through with phonic sound, word writing, sound words. So they did, and they wrote their letter to Santa, and then they posted it in the letter box we made. I'll be showing it in the coming slide, that how they posted the letter to the Santa. And it was a really good activity which was done on Friday. I'll be posting some pictures after that in which I'll show you how they wrote the letter and how they posted the letter. Now after that, what we are going to do, we are going to have a Christmas party on 24th, because Christmas is on 25th and it's Saturday. School will remain closed on that day. So 24th we are going to have Christmas party, and I'm going to show you that what we did on Christmas party. So keep watching. So on Christmas Day, Santa is going to come in our school. One of our teachers will be Santa. It's a secret for the kid. And Santa will be giving gift to our little ones. So these are the gifts we already got. There's a kit, pencil kit. We prefer giving small gifts to kids, and each and every child should get some gift from school, and otherwise parents are there to be their Santa and give them whatever they want if they are behaving really well. But a request to all the parents, they do not try to fulfill each and every wish they ask for, because these are kids. And in the Santa letter also they have mentioned so many things. They want a kitchen set, some of them want doll, kitchen set, doctor set, these and that. So many things are there. So just ask them, sit with them, talk to them and what they really want, and try to fulfill that wish. And if you cannot, that also it's okay. Just talking is more important. Talk to your child that yeah, you have been very good, but Santa cannot give you each and everything. Okay, Santa will give you whatever Santa will feel like, and they will understand, because this is a very crucial age. The kind of talking you will do with them, it is going to make them into that kind of person where they can perceive everything, that yeah, this is the way I have asked, but if I'm not getting it, then also it's okay. So these are the gifts we already got for our little ones. They'll be getting it from Santa with some candies on Christmas party. So this is our Christmas tree, well decorated. There are some gift box, and this is the letter box in which the kids posted the letter to the Santa. And this is all the Christmas decoration. Good morning parents, Merry Christmas. So today is the Christmas day. In last clip I said that we are done with Christmas preparation, and now we are waiting for our little ones to come to school, and we are all ready for Christmas celebration. So in the video we'll continue to show you that what and how we celebrate, what all things we did and how we celebrated Christmas in school. So keep watching the video. Thank you. So you all are going to do Christmas activity? Yes? You all are looking very good. Can you all just put your... Very good. Sit there. Do not get up. Because you all have to behave like nice kids if you want to see Santa. All of you hands up. Hands up. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Are you all excited for Christmas celebration? So first sit down, sit nicely. Put your hands up, and let's sing. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride one-horse open sleigh. Through the snow. Prakshi do? Then sleigh.
Over hills we go. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, everyone!
Sit and meet Santa. Santa will come to meet you all. Now Santa will come and talk to you, okay?
Now you see? Have you been at this yet? See what I got for you? Candies! Merry Christmas! How are Aditi? How are you? How are you, Aditi? Good, good. Go and sit at your place.
Christmas activity. Okay, so we'll go in UKG class first. What are you all going to do?
Snowman.
You all are going to make snowman. Okay. Like this. Okay. What is paper? Yeah, ma'am gave you. Keep it in your hand. Vatsal, do not fold it. Ma'am will tell you what to do. Okay.
But ma'am also use blue.
Yes. So she will help you. Okay. So you are going to make something like this.
Yes.
A hanging snowman. Are you all excited?
Yes.
Lovely. Now we are going to see what nursery kids are doing. What are you all doing? Activity?
Yes.
Yes. What are you all going to make?
Santa.
Santa or snowman? Snowman? Snowman. Okay. You all got your papers. Aditi, where's your sheet? Ma'am, give one sheet to Aditi also. I think it fell. So you have to follow instructions, okay? Ma'am will tell you what to do. Okay? Okay. So finish your activity. You all met Santa? You all met Santa? सब Santa से मिले थे? Kids, tell me. And Santa gave you gifts? Who all got gifts? जिसको जिसको gift मिला है hands up करके बताओ किसको किसको Santa ने gift दिया? Oh wow! Lovely. Okay, finish your activity. Oh, you all are doing activity? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. You all are making Christmas tree? चलो फिर सब लोग हैंड्स अप करो. पहले एक बार सेंटा को बुलाएंगे. सेंटा को कैसे बुलाते हैं? जिंगल बेल जिंगल ऑल द वे. You want? Oh, what fun it is to ride a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. And horse open sleigh. I think Santa is going to come. Are you all going to be excited? Who is there?
Merry Christmas. Santa is here. Merry Christmas.
Who wants to hug Santa? किसी को Santa को hug करना है? जल्दी जल्दी Santa को hug कर लो जिसको करना है. आजो आजो आजो. ये. Come.
Merry Christmas.
Go go go. Yes, go you want. Go. Yes, Santa is there. Very good. Lovely. फुल वीडियो, अगर आपने पूरा वीडियो देखा है शुरू से, यही होता है बच्चे आए बहुत ड्रेसअप होकर के, और हमने देखा कि हम सारे फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं स्कूल में, बट किड्स आर रियली एक्साइटेड फॉर क्रिसमस. एंड वी ऑल्सो फील दैट दिस इज द टाइम व्हेन सेंटा कम टू क्लास एंड ही टॉक अबाउट ऑल द गुड हैबिट्स. बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं, बहुत सी बात मानते भी हैं और उनके अंदर एक चेंज दिखता भी है. सो एक्टिविटीज़ की हमने स्नोमैन बनाया जिसमें अभी की क्लिपिंग में दिखाया, और फोटोज़ क्लिक हुई, डांस हुआ, तो इट वॉज अ fun-filled day. Kids had fun. Now it's 1 o'clock और बच्चे बस अपनी एक्टिविटी ख़त्म कर चुके हैं, लंच कर चुके हैं, और उसके बाद अब बस थोड़ी देर डिस्पर्सल स्टार्ट होगा और विंटर ब्रेक स्टार्ट हो जाएंगी. 2-3 दिन बाद से 31st से विंटर ब्रेक कर रहे हैं हम लोग, तो विंटर ब्रेक स्टार्ट हो जाएंगी. सो आई होप that you also enjoy your festivals, your new year, and this new year bring lots and lots of happiness, lots and lots of prosperity in your life. And I just pray to the God that हमारे बच्चे भी बहुत अच्छे से, बहुत सक्सेसफुल हो, बहुत खुश बने. Happy kids. What we want happy kids and miracles, and that is the thing for which we are working, and you should also work for that thing. If your child is a happy child, then no doubt that child is going to be a successful person in his or her life. So all the best for New Year, all the best wishes for New Year. Thank you. Have a good day.